Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online class. In last class, we have discussed about some practical application of thermal expansion. Okay, some points already we have discussed. Today we discuss about some more points of this practical application of thermal expansion. Means how expansion takes place in case of solid when we provide the heat or when a solid absorb the heat energy. Clear? So first points, just what is mounting of bridges? Mounting of bridges means when during the mounting of bridges there we will provide a gap between the girders and the wall of the bridge, and also we will provide the gap between the rollers on which the girders is mounted over there. Clear? Okay. How the expansion takes place in case of mounting of bridges? In case of summer, here because the girders are made with the iron or metals, so during the summer expansion takes place in the girders. Okay, so these expansions just want expanding some space, so that's why here a gap is left between the walls and girders, so that's why it can be easily expand and cover the space. And also when expansion takes place downward direction, so there will be roller provided so that it can be adjusted by the roller. Okay students, clear? So that's why the girders and rollers are provided to the wall of the bridges, and also there will be gap provided between the girders and rollers so that the expansions cannot cause any damages of the bridge. Damages of the bridges. Okay, students, because we know that now in summer means when heat absorbed by the girders or the rollers made with iron, it will source expansion or the expansion takes place. So these expansions just maybe causes some dangerous effect. So avoid these type of dangerous effect. We will provide the small gap between the girders and the wall of the bridges, and also between the rollers on which the girders are mounted over. Okay, students. So finally we can say that to avoid such situation means because of damaging of bridges, breaking of bridges, the girders are mounted on the rollers. These are the rollers. Also the gap are provided between the rollers and leaving a small space between for the expansion or contraction. Thus bridges is saved from a possible damage. Similarly, small gaps are left between the walls. This is the wall of bridge and girders. The girders which is mounting on, okay, mounting the girders as to follow for the expansion and contraction. Okay students, clear? गर्मी में क्या होता है, एक्सपेंशन होता है, हीट एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब होती है ना, तो ये जो ग्राइडर्स है वो किसी न किसी मेटल का, आयरन का होता है, तो इसमें एक्सपेंशन होगा। तो इस एक्सपेंशन को, इसे जो इफेक्ट होगा उसका जो कॉजेज होंगे, जैसे मे बी इट कैन कॉजेज द डैमेज ऑफ ब्रिजेस, तो इसको अवॉइड करने के लिए प्रिवेंट टू दिस फ्रॉम दिस, बिकॉज to prevent this means prevent from this so that the bridges cannot be damaged, we provide the gap between the girders and wall of the bridges. हम इस girders, जो girders है लोहे का बना होता है आयरन का, और ये wall of the bridge है, इनके बीच में गैप छोड़ते हैं, प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जिससे कि एक्सपेंशन होगा तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली क्या हो जाएगा, एडजस्ट हो जाएगा। और अगर एक्सपेंशन डाउनवर्ड होता है, नीचे की होता है, तो वी प्रोवाइड द रोलर्स so that it also adjusted by the rollers. Okay students, now next point, laying of telephone wires and electric wires. Laying of telephone or electric wires. Same here, when we laid down the wires, electric or telephone wires in summer, in summer. Just we will let it slightly loose. इसको थोड़ा लूज करके इसको लेट करते हैं, या दो पोल्स के बीच में इसको हम कनेक्ट करते हैं. Why? Because in winters contraction takes place, so it will not loose, then it may be break. So it causes some other type of damages or accidents. And when we lay the wires of telephone wires or electric wires in winter, we will lay it slightly tight, because in summer again expansion takes place, so it becomes loose. Clear? So that's why in case of laying of telephone or electric wires, okay, the metallic wires, because these are the metallic wires that are using in case of electric or telephone wires, during summers and sag down. They will expand during summers and sagging down. So this may come in contact with the other wires during the storm, causing a serious breakdown. So in winter they contact and can break. Thus, when these wires are laid in summer, they are kept slightly loose so that it allows contraction in winter. Similarly, if they are laid in winter, they are kept very tight so that it allows for expansion during summer. Clear, students? How expansion takes place in case of laying of electric or telephone wire? When we lay down the electric or telephone wire in summer, we will just lay it slightly loose, because in winter contraction takes place, so it can be contract. And when we lay these wires in winter, so we lay these type of these wires very tight. We have kept these wires very tight. Why? Because again in summer there will be expansion takes place. Clear? So it cannot cause any type of damaging or any other type of damage effect. Right? Clear? Okay. Now third one, laying of cement floor. Third effects, or you can say that the third examples of thermal expansion, laying of cement floor. In the case of cement floor, what? Cement floor is not laid as one block because it expands during summer. If there will be any space for expansion, okay, it will crack. To avoid such a situation, the floor is laid in small blocks, okay, leaving a very small space between the blocks so that it allows for expansion, hence floor does not break. Means in case of laying of cement floor, what we will do? We will leave a small gaps between the layers of the cement floor, so that in summer when expansion takes place, it can be easily adjust to each other, and it cannot causes any break or crack of the floors. Okay, so when we lay down the cement floor or any cement floor, we will left a small gap between each blocks of the floor. Okay, students. Now, fourth point is breaking of glass tumbler. All of you have seen the glass, okay, tumbler, शीशा glass देखा आप लोगों ने. So when we pour some hot water in the glass tumbler, what will happen? Suddenly it will becomes breakdown. How? Because the inner surface of the glass becomes more expanded due to the absorption of heat energy as compared to outer surface. So that's why the expansion takes place in the inner surface of the glass. So it will become break. And when we pour a piece of ice inside the glass, what will happen? Again, contraction takes place because just heat energy will release from the glass towards the ice. So in this case, contraction takes place. So again, the inner surface of the glass becomes more contract as compared to outer surface. So again it causes breakdown. Clear? So this is also example of one more example, breaking of glass tumbler. Means when the hot water or boiling water is poured into a glass tumbler, it cracks because glass is a bad conductor of heat and the inner surface of the tumbler expands more than the outer surface. Okay. Same case when conversely if the ice is placed in the glass tumbler, it cracks also because here contraction takes place. Its inner surface contracts more than the outer surface, and this uneven contraction builds a stream within the glass and cracks it. Means in both cases, either we pour hot water, either we just kept a ice piece inside a glass tumbler, it will sure crack or break down due to the expansion and contraction. Okay, students? So these are some examples or practical applications by which we can just understand how expansion takes place in case of solid. Mounting of bliss, laying of telephone and electric wires, laying of cement floors and bridging of glass tumbler. Some more examples are there like fire alarms, biometric strips. Okay, that we will discuss in next class. Okay, friends. So go through these points, the books. Any doubt you can ask in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.